Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share these with anyone you think might enjoy our videos. All right, looks like today we're doing number 238. If we start with the square, we're missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. If we look at this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 there, so 9, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5, a 4 here, so 3, 5, and no help here, so 3, 4, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so this is our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 covering these two boxes. So 5, 7, 5, 7. That means our 3 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. Oh, and this 5 makes this our 3. And then we can get rid of this 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 there, so 4, 7. A 7 there, so 2, 4, and no help here. 2, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. So we've got the 2 there, 4, 8. No help here. 2, 4, 8, and an 8 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7. 5 and 7 here, so that means our 1 is here. And no help here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9, but we've got an 8 here, so that makes this our 9, 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got the 2 covering these two boxes, so the 2 has to be here. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 4. A 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 4. That 4 makes this our 2. So we can get rid of this 2. And this 2 and this 4 makes this our 5. Now we've made a mistake again. We've got a 5 here. So let's look at this row again. We're missing 2, 4, and 8. So this should be an 8 with that 2 and 4. That 8 makes this our 4. 4 makes this our 7. 4. 4 makes this our 2. The 7 makes us our 5. 7. And for this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so 5, and 8 here, so 3 and 8. All right, almost messed that one up again as well. Well, thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.